Good morning, world. We're in Fuerteventura with my brother here. We just arrived. We're going to stay here for a few days and there's gonna be a lot of skate, surf and sunshine. It's gonna be cool. ¡Uh! ¿Qué pasó? ¡Mi niño!
¿Cómo va, señores? ¿Muy bien o qué? Qué altos estáis, me gusta.
We just arrived and Adriana is buying a guitar right now.
Volume max.
Let's go. We are going to skate now. Mikel. Michelle. Vamos. Al skatepark.
Is done, and now we're gonna get something to eat. So we're in Boisset.
Yeah, this is a super rad place here in Fuerteventura. ¿Conduces tú?
No.
¿Cómo que no?
No.
Porque está en plena furgo de la escuela.
¿En serio?
Nada. Sí, simplemente di marcha atrás y no he visto casados. Ya está. So, there's a reason we're here in Fuerteventura. It's because my brother did a giveaway.
Yeah, I'm working with the guys in Star Surf Camps where we're staying. Adrian is the reason I came first time. And yeah, I've been coming a lot here to surf. It's amazing here. So Star Surf Camps offered me to do a giveaway. This girl and her 3 friends that we're picking up now won the contest, the giveaway I did. So we're gonna pick them up at the airport and, you know, enjoy some days here surfing, having fun and good friends.
Bueno, yo soy Adrián.
Encantada.
Mucho
Hola.
Hola.
Para todo el mundo.
Hola. ¿Qué tal?
Buenos días, campeón.
Buenos días.
Pretty early in the morning. Let's go do something with our lives. Let's go. We're going to wake up again now. Breakfast goals.
Aquí se enciende, ¿no? Se enciende de aquí. Ahí está. Potencial máximo. Sí, ¿dónde está la potencia? Deja máximo. Ya va a tocar luego otra habitación, hijo de puta.
Surfear, ¿vale? ¿Cómo has hecho?
Espérate que venga tu hermano, no da igual.
Da igual, no voy a... Pero hay que ir ya. Hay 21. Hay que esconderse. Vale, dale. Está grabando ya.
¿Qué hago? Lo dejo de grabar debajo de la cama, ¿no? Albertito. Me dejes tu alarma, cabrón.
Hijo de puta. Cabrón.
Chacho.
Buenos días. Chacho, que uno tiene que trabajar.
Hola.
One board. 2 boards. 1 board is falling. And now getting down of the truck. Yeesh.
going in right now. Can I take it?
No, yeah, don't get the wetsuit.
I think it's pretty sunny, so
You love this board, right?
yeah.
I broke one of those last time.
Should we put a photo?
Chuk chuk.
See ya. So last day here in Fuerteventura, and we're watching the sunset right now. And my brother is gonna ride the bike now.
Giveaway. Boisset full experience. What an epic way to end the vlog. Here after this sunset, driving the motorbike. Everybody looking at us. Hello. So bye from Fuerteventura. Bye bye. Más emoción, más emoción. Bye. Bye.